2026 is different. What worked in 2022, dead. Now, what exactly do e-com brands need in 2026? And that's clarity that converts. I'm Alex Bometti, and we did landing pages that did 2K and landing pages that did 200K and more. And what's the difference between them? It's not better design. It's not fancy features. It's a strategy first approach. And today I'm going to show you the exact step-by-step approach that's working for our 7 to 9 figure e-commerce clients. Let's get into it right now. I did a previous video, it might have been 2 videos ago. Definitely go watch that, where we went over why you need landing pages, what should the mindset be, what does the 12-month CRO roadmap actually look like. We're gonna build off of what we discussed previously, why you need a landing page, what is the mindset when it comes to landing pages, why you need to test multiple landing pages, why making one landing page is not just a one and done. Don't think you can just make one landing page and that's it, you have success, you're done. No, there's different types of landing pages you need to be making and testing, different types of funnels. You got quiz funnels, advertorials, listicles, whether you're putting buy boxes on there, whether you're not having buy boxes, having it for different customer segments, different customer archetypes, speaking to each customer in different ways. So let's say you've got one customer that's men aged 30 to 40 and they live in the suburbs. And then you've got another customer type, women aged 18 to 26. First of all, those are 2 very different customers. And with each customer, you want to then split test headlines, copy, imagery, how to talk to each one. So for the first customer type, I'm going to have maybe 4 or 5 different split tests talking to him a certain way. For the other customer type, I'm going to have, again, a few different split tests talking to her a different way. Maybe what resonates the most, because generally we don't want to start resonating with price. We want to start with value, benefits, whether it's sustainability, whether it's health benefits, if it's creatine, for instance, muscle, joint longevity, whatnot. So there's a lot of angles we can go. If it's matcha, for instance, we want to go in the taste angle. So there's many ways you can go and speak to that customer. And then, like I showed before, this is the 12-month and beyond roadmap for landing page testing, for conversion rate testing, for AOV testing, lifetime value, etc. I highly recommend you go through this. I'm going to link this Figma file in the description below. Make sure you access this. This is totally free. This file right here is a game changer. This file right here is going to help you just lay everything out for you, what you need to be doing in your first year of landing page testing and beyond. Make sure you access this file. Make sure you click it. It's in the link in the description. It's totally free. Now we're going to get into the too long didn't read version. This is for people who they don't want to read too much. Just Alex, give it to me right now. I want to process this in 1 minute and less. So let's get into that right now. So the TLDR version of the CRO roadmap, we got starting with month 1. This is where you want to launch your main offer landing page, your pre-lander, and gather data. So when I say pre-lander, this can be an advertorial, this can be listicle. I usually like to start with listicles. If you've got all of that done and you haven't done yet, a quiz funnel can also be a great way to start. Now for the main offer page, what I generally like to do with brands, either we're testing a new offer for your product, or if you have already a winning offer, we're then going to test a new design, a new layout for that offer page. So there's a few ways we can go in that first month alone. Usually with a lot of brands, it's testing a new offer, testing a listicle, or if they've got a great offer, just redoing that main offer page with the listicle. And then the listicle, usually I don't like to have a buy box in the listicle. I'll just have a CTA section at the bottom of it that'll then link to the new landing page, the offer page, or the PDP if their PDP is already very high converting as well. Then in month 2, I want to look at testing new offers, refining the messaging with new split tests, headline tests, copy tests, and just building upon what we did in month 1 with A/B tests. Then in month 3, we want to replicate the winning layouts and pages we've already done and optimize our buy box images. If we haven't already optimized the buy box images yet, more and more when users land on the buy box, they want to basically see your landing page sections as images in there already, so they can see everything in one view. So we found that recently that's really helping a lot with the conversions. That's helping with the performance. Customers and users are ADHD and they want to just see everything in just one fold in one view. Then as we get into month 4, we're going to do an audit in between there, but we're going to expand with new offers, new funnels, targeted landing pages, 2 different segments. Like I mentioned before, targeting different customer segments, different customer personas, testing, okay, if we've done a few listicles, now maybe we test the advertorial. If we didn't do a quiz funnel yet, maybe looking at a quiz funnel. If a free PDF guide would help to sell, we could look at offering that as well. Then month 5, looking at launching seasonal and bundle landing pages. If we haven't already done bundles yet, looking at doing bundles, also specifically seasonal bundles, welcome kits, starter bundles, refining the homepage as well. If we haven't attacked the homepage yet and we found a lot of winners with certain sections we've designed in depth, we could look at taking those winning sections and putting those on the homepage as well. Then in month 6, looking at more educational landing pages, retargeting pages for the retargeting ads. Month 7, focusing on loyalty, existing customers, making some offers for existing customers, reviewing our top performing landing pages, and just making sure everything is mobile first. Whatever we do, always mobile first. If there's any leaks and cracks we've had, and just fine tuning over time, especially our mobile sections. Then in month 8, testing new funnels, email gated landing pages. This means that people who are on your email list, giving them specific offers, sending them to specific landing pages, as well as having certain offers in pages where they need to first provide their email, then sending that traffic to them. Then in month 9, personalizing those landing pages, looking to boost the AOV further, integrating your customer feedback, taking your best reviews, your worst reviews, and just integrating that feedback into new offers, new products, new landing pages, new listicles, new funnels, etc. Then in month 10, looking at testing new ad channels, focusing on lifetime value further, looking at making dedicated landing pages for Google traffic, for Meta traffic. Again, if we haven't already done that, these are new ideas to test upon your further refinements and further split testing. Then in month 11, again, looking at launching new product landing pages, membership pages, refreshing your initial sales landing pages. So a lot of the pages we did in the initial months, looking at giving those a potential refresh. Maybe there's new sections we've designed since then that perform really well. Maybe there's new angles we found that really hit home. So refreshing those initial LPs with those winning sections. Then in month 12, building upon the best that you've already done, having some year-end promos as well, like New Year's sales. This is, of course, if you started back in January the previous year, but this could also just be new seasonal offers, new seasonal promos, and just trying new landing page formats. I feel like every year there's always some kind of new landing page format I see really pop off. And so just trying new formats as well. With landing page CRO, you need to really treat them like your ads, where you're constantly testing, you're constantly refining. You know, there might be some things here you saw in month 6 that could have worked in month 2. Maybe some things that are working great in month 4 that you want to just keep continuing in month 11, month 12, and beyond. So this is the TLDR version of CRO optimization in your first year, but this goes way beyond 1 year. You really want to have someone in your team, in your wheelhouse, who can do this on a month-to-month basis, on a week-to-week basis. My agency and team, we fully handle landing pages and funnels from A to Z. So if that interests you, make sure to book a call with me here and we can discuss on getting your initial landing pages done, setting up some new funnels for you. I'm going to link that right here. Make sure you book a call with me and we can chat more about it. Next, we're going to look at traffic types and what kind of landing pages you should be building for the traffic type. So for your top of funnel, that's people who may not really know you. It's the first time they're seeing you. This is where you want to design and build advertorials, listicles, quiz funnels, short form pre-sale pages. Then for your middle funnel, this is for people who have seen you. They might be product aware. They've seen you a bit. They might know about you, what you do. This is where you want to focus on your product landing pages, maybe a comparison listicle, comparing you to your competitors. How do you stack up against the competition? Looking at other sales and offer pages, having a benefit-focused product page. Then for bottom of funnel, these are people who are ready to buy. These are people who are very product aware. They're looking to make a purchase. This is where you want to have your checkout offer pages that once they click the add to cart button, they go straight to checkout. Having sales listicles. These are listicles with the buy box in the listicle. And of course, having product landing pages where it's that full product landing page experience that are going to take them straight to checkout. I usually like to do straight to checkout, straight to cart, and just get them to make that purchase right then and there. You want them to purchase right then and there. Then for what offers should you even try? This is a big thing. So a lot of landing page success, a lot of CRO success is going to come down to your offer. It's who you're targeting. How are you resonating with the customer? How are you speaking to them? Are you diving deep into the problem, agitate, and solution? The Eugene Schwartz's copy frameworks, but it's also about what offer are you even selling to them? What offer are you pitching them? So first off here, we got build-a-bundles. Build-a-bundles are where users can craft a specific bundle. They can craft a more custom bundle. And with Replo's recent build-a-bundle feature, this has become easier than ever to do. I highly recommend always building on Replo, especially if you want to test the build-a-bundle. Replo now makes it easier than ever to do. And build-a-bundles work really great with CPG brands, consumables, clothing, apparel, supplements, creatine, coffee, matcha, skincare, makeup, fragrances, perfume, camping and outdoor gear, and jewelry and accessories. Next, we have your traditional bundle sets. This is where you have preset bundles, a welcome kit, a starter kit, a welcome set, a holiday kit. Traditional bundles work really great because essentially you're value stacking with a bunch of products combined into one. So every product becomes more than the sum of its parts. And bundles work really great in a variety of niches: CPG, clothing, supplements, camping, skincare, makeup, jewelry, matcha, coffee, just like the build-a-bundles do. Next is quantity breaks. So quantity breaks is where you have buy one, buy two, buy three. So you buy one quantity of the product. If you buy two, you'll get 10% off. If you buy three, you'll get 15% off or more. Some brands I've noticed in some niches where it's not necessarily 1, 2, 3. They'll have maybe like buy one, buy three, buy five, or buy a pack of 5, buy a pack of 10, buy a pack of 20. And then each greater quantity you buy, you have a greater discount. And quantity breaks, they work really great with CPGs, pet products, supplements, matcha, coffee, creatine, skincare, wellness, makeup, perfume, and kids and toys products. This works really well as well. Next, you have subscriptions. Subscriptions are pretty self-explanatory. You know, this is where if you have supplements, for instance, you can subscribe and save 15% or 20%, and then your product will get reordered every week, every 2 weeks, every month, maybe every 3 months, maybe every 6 months, depending on the product. If it's supplement, if it's coffee, if it's matcha, if it's a drink brand. And subscriptions work really great when you're trying to increase your lifetime value, your AOV, when you're really just trying to push customer retention and LTV. This is where you really want to focus on. And you can even combine subscriptions with quantity breaks. You can combine subscriptions with bundle sets. And I would test as well doing subscriptions alone, plus combining them with other offers as well. And subscriptions, they work really great with CPG brands, supplements, matcha, creatine, coffee, skincare, makeup, fragrance, wellness, really any product and niche where frequent repurchasing is normal and is encouraged. So these are your seasonal offers, your seasonal promos, your Black Friday, Cyber Mondays. Maybe you're going to do a crazy discount off of new subscriptions and 30% off one-time orders. We did this exact offer for our client Wellbel a year ago, and this is where we had our highest performing page ever. We hit a 15% conversion rate. This is probably one of our best all-time case studies, and we had, of course, our discount code that was already embedded in the CTA button, and it took users straight to checkout. So limited time offers, they work really well. These are offers that, like the name suggests, you're not going to want to always run them. You're going to want to run them, you know, for a certain holiday, Christmas, Black Friday, Cyber Monday, spring sale, Valentine's Day, July 4th sale. And this is where you want to really get creative and just finding those offers that really work in a seasonal context. And limited time offers work really well when you're launching new products or you're trying to close them out even. Black Friday, Cyber Monday, Christmas, Valentine's Day, President's Day sale, Memorial Day, Independence Day, July 4th in America, Labor Day, that could be in America, which is in September, or that could be Labor Day in Europe, Asia, or elsewhere, where I'm pretty sure that's in May. Labor Day, May Day, Halloween, Mother's Day, Father's Day. Some countries I know you have Siblings Day as well. And any holiday that matters to you and your customers. For some niches, maybe in creatine, guys who are big gym goers, maybe there's certain holidays that they really care about, that they really prioritize. If you're a matcha lover coffee, maybe there's some sort of international coffee day or international matcha day. So holidays, festivals, special days like that. Then is the special offer two-step. So this is the funnel like we've seen Jot Coffee do really well, where it's a coffee starter kit. You order your coffee on the first landing page, and then it takes you to a second page where you choose your add-ons, and you can pick maybe up to 2 add-ons, maybe up to 3 add-ons, depending on your product and offering. It could be even possibly 1 add-on, or you can have even 5 add-ons. So this is where you're doing a 2-step funnel, where the first landing page is you're selecting that add to cart, and then the second page you're picking the add-ons, and then you're possibly getting those discounts for those add-ons as well. And those 2-step special offers, they work really great with CPG brands. Coffee is a great example. Matcha, that's really hot right now. High AOV products, that could be saunas, boats, also skincare, makeup, when you have the initial skincare product, but then you've got those complementary products as well to add on top of that. Next, you've got buy one, get one. Those are your BOGO deals. It could also be buy one, get two, buy one, get three. BOGOs work very well. I've seen them work very well recently in the apparel and furniture niche as well, and home furnishings and furniture. And BOGO is basically buy one, get one. You're going to buy 1 pack with no discount, or you can buy 2 packs with 25% off. You offer customers that steep discount. You can also do buy one, get 3, or you can start with buy 2, get 3. So maybe buy 2, get 15% off, buy 3, get 25% off. So there's different ways you can package it. And you want to really test what is the best BOGO for your brand in terms of discount, in terms of product offering as well. And you do this because you want to really encourage customers to buy a second item and show them how much discount they're going to receive. So you want to just make that as easy as possible. And again, make sure you go through all these frames to show you how to structure these offer landing pages. And again, you want to make sure you go through each of these frames to see exactly how to structure these offer landing pages. You can see the exact sections we've used, how to design and structure them section by section. And the niches, BOGO works really well. CPG, pet products, supplements, creatine, coffee, matcha, skincare, makeup, fragrances, apparel, furniture, home, kids, and toys. And guys, before I wrap this up, make sure you go through each of these frames, because I walk through exactly how to structure each landing page for each offer. So you can see exactly, for a limited time, this is how you want to have your above the fold. This is how you want to progress the page with a product intro, offer breakdown, benefit sections, testimonials, reviews, comparisons. So just make sure as well, I know I'm glazing over these, but when you access this file, make sure you really go through it and you can see exactly how to structure these landing page types. And last but not least is the free gifts. So these are the free gift offer pages. These are basically where you have offer 1, offer 2, product 1, product 2, and then you have with it your free gifts. So offer 1, for instance, is going to be one version of the product. Offer 2 is maybe this product combined with another product, or it's a subscription, and you have with that as well free gifts on top of that. So this free gift offer could be just one of your products, or it could be a bundle, or it could be one of it, or it could be a quantity break. But when you get that quantity break, you then access all of these free gifts that come with it. You do this really when you're trying to increase AOV and potential lifetime value. If it's a great offer, it's a gateway offer to bring customers in, and you're going to get them later on a subscription on the back end. And free gift with purchase offers work really great with CPG brands, skincare, makeup, fragrances, health and wellness, fashion apparel, tech and accessory products, coffee as well, coffee, matcha as well. I've been seeing it really hit off in those 2 niches specifically as well. Make sure you go through all these offers, guys. And if you're interested in getting new offer landing pages made, let's chat, book a call here. We can chat more and see what offers would make sense for your brand as well. I hope this brings you some new insights for your brand and what new offers you can test and what does that look like in a 1-year horizon. Thanks guys for watching, and cheers. Now, if you guys want to see the full roadmap for yourself, I dropped the full roadmap in a free file. Link is in the description below. Make sure to click that. And if you haven't seen our video yet about educational funnels and why you need them to increase conversions, AOV, and lifetime value, make sure to click the video in the top corner above. That's the video you binge right after this. Thanks guys, and see you there.